Hello, in this video, we are going to look at the CRM scheduling center icon and its concept. Come, let's go inside. So, you already know the person. This is our WhatsApp CRM's main dashboard, okay? And I have explained some of the features in the last video. If you haven't checked it out yet, do check and refer to it. In this video, we are only going to look at the concept of the scheduling center, okay? Do you see this icon here? The fifth icon, okay, in our icon center, the fifth one is the scheduling center. That's what we are going to see now. But I'll just click on it. When you click, a page like this will open. Yahan whatever is on your mind will be visible. Month, year and date. Okay. So using this plus icon, we are going to set things in our schedule. Basically, if you ask what the scheduling center is used for, if you have any follow ups, meetings, or any daily, weekly, or monthly reminders so that you don't forget, since we've made a lot of commitments in the comments, then the scheduling center will be really useful for you, okay? Sometimes you might go and give reminders to customers or clients, especially when you're offering discounts. If you remind everyone about the discount, then everyone will know and they'll come to buy your product. But if you forget to do that, how will you sell your product or make a profit? So it will only be a loss for you. This is just a small example. There are many such examples. There have been many situations where losses have been avoided. By using this scheduling center, you can send reminders to your team, your clients, or even your personal contacts. That's what the scheduling center is used for, okay? Now, how to create it and how it works, I'm going to explain all that in this video. Come, let's go inside and see. We've come here now. Do you see a simple plus sign here? Just click on that. Then your WhatsApp number and WhatsApp itself will be here. All your contacts and all your groups will be visible here. Okay? So all these groups and contacts are the ones I have saved on my number. Now on the right side, for 11 particular groups and contacts, on the right side, you'll see something like this too. Ayo Saritha, after coming here, we are going to set the schedule just by clicking this one simple button. So for this particular contact, I am coming and setting it. Click the schedule button on the right side. When you do that, a page like this will open. Okay, now look here after coming to this page. Is there an action called add? Click on that. Then you will see options like title, choose type, date, everything will be shown, okay? Now for the title, by default, I am putting daily update. I am giving Amin. After coming here, you can send a text file, you can send media, audio, all types of files, okay? I'll explain about select quick message to you next, but for now, let's just look at these first three concepts. In default create text, I am sending a text message to that particular person. Okay, all that is done for today. I'll show you an example by filling out the form I gave you. The time has come. Now if you see what the time is, it's 12:20. We've set it up in such a way that it matches 12:31. 12:31 p.m. Okay. Vikrams means whether it's daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. So that if you send it today, you shouldn't forget to send it tomorrow. That's why if you want to send a message or a reminder to a particular person daily, you can choose daily. Similarly, there are options for weekly, bi-weekly and monthly. Depending on what you choose, the message will be sent at that frequency. Okay? So in this example, I'm setting it as daily for the kids. Now, if I click the create button, this particular schedule will be created for you. Okay? I am clicking create now. Once you've clicked create, you will see the title, who the client is, in what format that particular message is going, what date it's being sent, what time, and the type we've chosen. Then under action, if you click on this pen icon, you can edit it. Next to it, you'll find the delete option. That's how it works. If you click on I connect, you can delete it as well. Okay? So these are the options you'll get. This is how you need to schedule a message. Okay? Now I'll show you how this message gets delivered to that particular person at 12:31. Okay, now it's 12:31. Let's close this and go check in the chat outside. That particular contact is ma'am. We've given the daily update. See, this is how the daily tally goes. It's gone here now. Exactly at 12:31, that particular message has been sent. I'll show you clearly and correctly. Just a minute. Now you can see it properly. Look, you can see the time below. At 12:31, even without setting it correctly in our schedule, that particular message has reached that particular person at 12:31. Okay, now if you open this contact, you will see an option called scheduled message here. Okay, if you click on that, you'll be able to see the message that's scheduled for tomorrow here. Okay, for tomorrow on 31st December 2020 at exactly 12:31 p.m., there's a message titled Delhi Update that's scheduled for you. This means that at 12:31, that particular message will reach that particular person. This is what the scheduled message shows. Okay, you can check it out like this as well. So, can we open the scheduled message here and see what changes are there? Do you see a small dot somewhere? What this is reporting is that tomorrow a message called daily update needs to be sent to this particular person. This is what the dot is indicating. Okay, now on December 31st, this dot is there. It's showing now on the 31st, December 31st is over. The next day, what happens is for Jan man, the dot will shift to him. Okay. Now, if Jan is done, then to January 2nd, the dot will shift. And day by day, the daily message will be scheduled and will reach that particular person correctly. That's what it's saying. Okay, now we've seen how the daily message comes and reminds the person in that picture. Now let's look at weekly and bi-weekly. Okay, I've gone a bit too much into the scheduling center. I go in and click plus to start. Now I'm looking at how to send a message to a particular group. Okay. When you go into text group, for each person, you'll see this Delhi option like that. It's showing. So we select and give it. Now we're going to give it for our house. So, weekly update. Okay, similarly, we can go to create test. See, I've copied a message and pasted it here. The date has come. Good day, babe. If you haven't chosen this, see this icon here. Go into this icon and select today date. The time has come. Click on this icon. It's 12:52 now. The particular time now is 12:52. Let's set it for 12:55. We can schedule it. Recurrence VK. Okay. You can click on create. Once you click below, you can see that it has been created here. Okay, just scroll and check. You know which client it is, and you can see the date and time as well. Now the time is 12:52. Let's check if this message actually reaches at 12:55 as scheduled. Now the time has come, it's 12:55 for us, so let's close this, go out and check if that message has been delivered. This will take a little time. Let's wait and see. Just hold on. Now it's gone. See, in the text group, a message has gone at 12:55. Okay, like this, every week the message will be sent to us. Okay, similarly, if you open this text group, on the left side, you can open the message. Go ahead and open it. Once you open it, it's 61. That is next week. Okay, 6 off. For January, it's 12:55. So we'll get the same weekly update. It'll come, okay? That's what has come, the weekly concept, okay? In the same way, we'll have this for bi-weekly, monthly and everything. Now click on January and see. From January 20th to 26th, this is steady for us. What it means is, in the weekly update test group, the weekly update should keep going. That's what it's reporting to you, okay? Like this. Let's check this out after it comes. Now, on the 6th, this message was sent and it got reached. For that particular group, next week you'll see that dot appear. We've seen the daily, we've seen the weekly. Now let's see how in bi-weekly, if a message is sent but not read, how to send it to the contact. Similarly, I'm selecting the contact here. Now I'm selecting another group. I'm clicking on add. After clicking add, since we are setting it as bi-weekly now, I am giving the bi-weekly update. We've given clear text. I am copying a text message. After that, you can click this icon and choose whichever text you want. The time is 17. I'm scheduling it for 110. In the same way, click this icon, then select 110 and the message will be set correctly for 110. If you select bi-weekly and click create, it will be created and the created report will be shown here for you. That's it. Now it's 18 times. I'll give you exactly for 110. Okay, now the time is set to 1110. Let's check if the message has been delivered after the process is done. I'll close and exit now. For this chat, we had sent the message to the app called CRM. See, now it's been delivered. This particular message will reach you bi-weekly. That is, every 14 days this message will be delivered. If you open the scheduled message, you will see that after 14th of January, only after 40 days will the next message go to you. It's being reported here for you. Now, since this has come under scheduling messages, let's see what kind of updates are there. On the 31st, there's a daily update, and in January 2026, we have two updates. This one is a weekly update, and this one is a bi weekly update. Okay, right? We can also take each of these updates separately and have a look at them. Here, you can see the show update option. Just click on it. Whatever schedule you have set, for example, now you have scheduled for 4 to 5, it will automatically get arranged below. You can just scroll down and check it out, okay? Now I have scheduled 3. 3 are weekly, 1 is daily and 1 is bi-weekly. All these have been delivered. I've shown you all of this. In the same way, we have done monthly and annually as well, okay? I think this video will be useful for you. Let's see another concept next. Thank you.